welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Onyinye, and this is my YouTube channel. I know where I was going with that, but I'm going to show you guys how to do a brown smoky look. We're going to start with a fresh face. I'm going to use this Pixi Glow Mist. I'm using this for the inner corners of my eye, and then I'm going to use this for the outer corners of my eyes and the other parts of my face. I don't put anything on this area, so I just sort of drag what I have from these corners into this area. So now that we're done, I will use my Tara powder and foundation in T844. This is sort of a setting powder just so that your face isn't shiny. And if you notice, I didn't put in here because I'm going to put my Laura Mercier in there because that's way brighter than this one, and you want the inner corners of your eyes to be like bright. And I'm not baking, I'm setting it. I'm just going to keep doing this until everything sort of dissolves into this skin. This is Sun Power by MAC Cosmetics. This is my NARS Jewel palette in Jesus Christ, it's falling apart. Gina. I don't want to call it Gina, but it sounds like Gina. I'll write it in the description box though. Now that we're done with the face, let's go into the eyes. I have bushy brows, so I usually use edge control. You can also use that soap brow thing that people use on Instagram. if you can get your hands on it. If you can't get your hands on it, just use edge control. I usually do make it darker towards this area, then leave this area to be light. And then using that same Tara powder, I'm going to set this area. So I'm putting MAC Cosmetics Sun Power in my crease, and I'm also sort of blending it towards my dark contour. You're going in from here into your brow bone, down into this like V, outer V of your eye. I'm taking this shade, Lust. Using my pinky finger, I'm going to take some of that and apply it in the inner corners of my eye. So whatever you do on top, you do underneath too, so that it has that ombre effect. I'm going to apply my falsies and then I'll be right back. And that is the end of today's makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.